All right, hello, welcome traders. Hey, I want to talk to you today about why most traders fail and how you can succeed here. And what I'm looking for here is what I call the mechanical edge. So let's talk a little bit about that. Most traders don't fail because the markets are hard. They fail because they refuse to trade like operators with rules. Basically, they refuse to treat trading like a business. Failure isn't psychological either, it's structural. Everyone says, oh, it's psychology, control your emotions, just be disciplined. And I say that psychology fails after structure fails. If your trading is requiring a lot of willpower, it's already broken. You don't have the structure. You need to treat this like a business. Now, I've been trading for over 40 years. I've been through crashes and bubbles and sideways markets. I've made money, lost money. I've blown up accounts. I've made a ton. It's all good. But the difference isn't intelligence, it's just structure. And I really didn't become a good trader until I really got that structure in there. Most traders treat the market like it's a hobby or online gambling. I treat it like a business. That's really what I am. It's a business coach. That's what I did for most of my career, as well as a business consultant. And you really got to have, that formal business plan. You got to have a financial plan. You got to have the SOPs. So what are your standard operating procedures for every trade and what you're doing and your rules? You've got to also have a system for process improvement in place. You have to run this like a business if you want to be successful. So let's talk about three traps that I think kill traders. Number one is emotional decision making. So what do most traders do? Well, fear, greed, hope, and regret, they drive impulsive actions like, cutting winners short or holding on to losers too long, or they revenge trade after a loss, or they chase trades out of FOMO, or one of my favorites is they're always just chasing the holy grail because they have no consistent system. So they're looking for somebody else's system. As soon as somebody says, hey, I made $75,000 on this trade, everybody's going to pile into that. Okay. Well, if you only have $10,000, okay, you're probably not going to be able to do the same trade. And B, we don't even know if that trade makes sense for you. Again, it's your emotional decision making. You're always just trying to find the next great thing. And this fails because emotions override your logic and your plans. Okay? One wrong move, it can wipe out weeks, months, or all of your gains. One of the things I think about is that, hey, I don't need to be right. I just need the market to exist. So I'm not looking for those strategies that I have to have all of these wins or I have to be right all of the time. I just need the market to exist and I need to find the right strategies. Yeah. And what I do is I'm selling time and fear. I'm not buying hope out there. Another reason traders fail is they don't have an exit plan or a plan, period. Failing traders have no predefined losses. They have no tested or rules-based systems. They don't have adjustment logic. They just hold on and hope there. Just no trade plan whatsoever. And every big loss at one point was a small loss. You just didn't follow your plan and get out when you were supposed to. So the fix is have a trading plan, follow your trading plan. Okay, don't just have it, but you got to follow it. You got to look at it. You got to retweak it. I'm probably tweaking my trade plan 4 times a year, 3 to 4 times a year. Minor adjustments, things like, hey, you know what? I thought I should do this, and I'm tweaking it. Remember, losses don't blow up accounts. Unmanaged losses blow up accounts. So you've got to have a plan for what to do when you get out. And a lot of people are always asking me, hey, what do I do with this trade? It's in the red. Okay. Well, what was your plan going in? Okay. If you have to ask someone what to do with a trade, you need to close the trade. Okay. You didn't have a plan going in. That's the biggest problem. And the last trap here I think the traders fall into is poor risk management. Many traders, they have random trade entries, they react to headlines. Oh my gosh, the number of people that post news and news related things in, Discords or in Twitter, you got to tune out all of that noise. Okay. Or the traders that have no routines or that enter the markets without that, again, rules-based system. A quick, simple fix here is rely on back-tested strategies. Have patience and wait for those high probability setups and then adhere to your rules. Okay, pretty simple. tried and true, structured, back-tested strategies, patience, waiting for the right setup. Okay. And then adhere to the rules once you enter. That's pretty much it. Those three things might be the three keys to this whole video. I don't know. So how do you do this? Well, you got to create a mechanical blueprint. And that's really what we do in the Discord and in our service as well, is really help you put that, blueprint together. First step, figure out what the market regime is. Well, what is the market doing? We don't know, what's going to happen next. We just want to know what kind of regime we're in. I'm not forecasting price. I'm just trying to decide which strategies I should use at a time. You can't just rely on one strategy and have it work all of the time. Okay. Eventually, it's going to fail. Okay. And if it fails multiple times, you can blow up an account. You've got to have multiple strategies that you use in different market regimes. So have a checklist. Okay. Check your market regime. Check what allowed strategies you have. Define your risk based upon the regime. Okay. Place the trade. Follow your plan in the trade, and then rinse and repeat. And just do this over and over. It's easy to figure out what strategy you want to do by regime. If we're bullish, what should we be doing? For me, it's 1-1x bear trap type trades. It's dynamic income naked puts. It's income poor man covered calls. Those are all good bullish strategies. Okay, maybe even naked puts. Okay, neutral strategies, strangles, and at the money 1-1x. So you make some modifications, maybe even more of a jade lizard type of a setup. And then defensive strategies, well, maybe now we just reduce our size and maybe have some hedging structures. So again, I don't force trades. I just rotate tools and stick to the plan. Okay, find the strategies that work, size them appropriately. Why does this work? Well, it puts the probabilities in your favor. Okay, you're taking advantage of time decay. You define your risk up front. Okay? And all of these adjustments and knowing and having this plan removes panic. Because if you feel adrenaline while you're trading, you're probably speculating here. You're not trading. If you're worried at night about your position's way too big. Okay. Knowing some of these things is how you can survive and how you can thrive. And if you want more mechanical frameworks like this, understanding market regime, strategy selection, risk rules, subscribe to our service. Come and join us at incomenavigator.com. Again, incomenavigator.com. Join the service. If you want a break, use code KING, K-I-N-G, as the coupon code there. You'll get $50 off the first month. Okay. Low priced entry. You can get in, join us, learn, figure out what makes sense for you, put that trade plan together, take advantage of our trade plans, our strategies, our videos, all of our, we've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of training videos and courses and things like that for you here. We've got a great chat with many members. We've got members trading live as well. We've got multiple live trading sessions a week that we run. Be in a community of like-minded people who want to learn and grow their wealth. And good luck to you. All right, so I hope this was helpful to you. If you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button down below, and I look to hopefully see you in the Discord. We'll see you later. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.